Fix 1. Check SSD connection. Ensure that the Samsung SSD is properly connected to your computer. Sometimes a loose connection or a faulty SATA or USB cable can cause the migration process to hang. Try reconnecting or using a different cable if possible. If you're using a USB to SATA adapter, try a direct SATA connection if your computer supports it, as adapters can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Fix 2. Update Samsung data migration software. Using the latest version of Samsung data migration can resolve bugs and improve compatibility. Step 1. Visit the official Samsung website to download and install the latest version of the Samsung data migration software. Step 2. Uninstall the old version and reinstall the new one to ensure there are no leftover old files. Step 3. After installation is complete, restart your computer and begin the data migration process anew. Fix 3. Free up disk space on the target disk. If the target disk space is smaller than the source disk, data cannot be transferred. Therefore, attempting to clone a hard drive to an SSD with less storage space can lead to issues such as the Samsung data migration getting stuck at 0% or Samsung data migration not working. To avoid any such errors, please check the target disk storage space before initiating the process. For safety, it is recommended that the data you transfer does not exceed 75% of the total available space on the target drive. Fix 4. Check for disk errors. Disk errors on the source drive can cause migration to stall. Run the built-in Windows Disk Check tool to scan and repair any disk errors on the source drive. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer. Step 2. Right-click on the source disk and choose Properties. Step 3. Go to the Tools tab and hit the Check option under Error Checking. Step 4. Follow the prompts to scan and fix any issues found. Fix 5. Disable device encryption. If your source drive is encrypted, disable encryption temporarily. Samsung data migration may not be able to read encrypted data, which can cause the migration to get stuck. Step 1. Press the Windows key, search for Settings, and open it. Step 2. From the left pane, choose Privacy and Security and then click on Device Encryption. Step 3. Now, disable the toggle next to Device Encryption to turn it off. If a warning prompt appears, click to close it. Step 4. Restart your computer and immediately begin the data transfer process. If your computer has BitLocker, please disable it as well. After completing this process, re-enable device encryption, as it is an important security feature on the operating system.